Welcome to my channel Simplifying Business Studies. I am your business studies teacher Kashish Talwani, and today I am presenting case studies of chapter 3 Business Environment. This is the second assignment for the case studies of the chapter. I hope my content and my work is being productive to all of you. And before I go forward, like always, I would like to request you all to like my video and subscribe to my channel. So let us see the first case study. Government passed an order to ban polythene bags as these are creating environmental problems which affect the life of people in general. Society in general is more concerned about quality of life. Government decided to give subsidy to jute industry to promote this business. Innovative techniques are being developed to manufacture jute bags at low rates. Income are rising and people can afford to buy these jute bags. So here we have to identify different dimensions of business environment by quoting the lines. So let us start quoting the lines. Government passed an order. So that means it is a part of legal environment. When any order, any laws are brought in, it is a part of legal environment. These are creating many environmental problems which affect the life of people in general, and society is more concerned about quality of life. So when quality of life is concerned, social environment is involved. Government decides to give subsidy to jute industry. That means this is about the preferences of our government, how they take care of certain businesses. So this is about the political environment. Innovative techniques are being developed. That means this is a part of technological environment because they are going to bring in some better techniques. So bringing in better technology, in other words. Income is rising and people can afford to buy these jute bags. When income rises, this is a part of economical environment. Okay, let us see question number 2. The court passed an order that all the schools must have water purifiers for the school children as society in general is more concerned about quality of life. Innovative techniques are being developed to manufacture water purifiers at competitive rates. Income are rising and children at home are also drinking purified water. Government is also showing positive attitudes towards the water purifier business. So here again we have to identify different dimensions of the business by quoting the lines. Court passed an order. That means again it is legal environment. Society in general is more concerned about quality of life. This is social environment. Innovative techniques are being used. Technological environment. Incomes are rising. Economical environment. Government is showing positive attitude towards water purifier business. This is political environment. So this is a similar kind of questions, but it can definitely let you understand all these environments together. Let us see question number 3. The court issued an order that it is essential for vehicles to be smokeless and that anyone violating this order shall have to pay heavy fine. Abiding by this order was necessary for the health of the people. Making strict order of the court as the base, Gyan Motors Limited resolved to manufacture such vehicles by using modern technology as it should not produce any smoke at all. The government should also announce to provide help in several ways to set up such industrial units. So here we have to again mention 3 dimensions of business environment. And also we have to write down one value for the society granted by the court. Okay, let's quote the lines. Court issued an order, law and order is involved. This is legal environment. Health of the people is involved, social environment. Manufacture such vehicles by using modern technology. This is technological environment. Government should also announce to provide help in several ways. This is political environment. So these are the 4 environments which are involved in this question. Although only 3 are asked in the question, so in that case you can write 3 of them. So the value which was asked in the question, we can write concern for the environment and concern for the health of people, because government issued this order to because of the concern for these two elements. Let's see question number 4. Mr. Rajay, after completing MBA from USA, comes to India to start a new business under the banner Ecom Creation Limited. He launches a new product in e-learning for senior secondary school students in commerce stream, which already had established market in UK and USA but not in India. His business starts flourishing in India. Now more Indian companies enter into the market with the same subjects also. So here we have to identify and keyword the lines which highlights the significance or importance of understanding business importance. So very first line I noticed is comes to India to start a new business. So that means to come to India he must have planned a lot of things. He prepared policy how to undertake this kind of business. So the first point of importance here is assisting in planning and policy making. Launches a new product in e-learning. So this is a kind of opportunity which is going to arise in near future. So this is what he predicted and he took a first mover advantage. So the point of importance involved here is identifying opportunities and getting first mover advantage. His business starts flourishing. That means helps in improving performance. Now more Indian companies enter into the same market with other subjects. So that means this is a threat for this particular company and he can take the entry of other companies as a warning signal so that he can definitely remake his policies, his planning so that he can beat his competitors. So this point is identifying threats and early warning signals. So these are the points of importance which are included in this case study. Let's see question number 5. Chandranchal Network and Technology Limited is a leader in technology innovation in USA, creating products and solutions for a connected world. It has a large research and development team which invented the first smartwatch WI, which besides showing the time would also monitor few health parameters like heartbeat, blood pressure, etc. While in search of markets abroad, the company found that in India, the reform process was underway with the aim of accelerating the pace of economic growth. The company decided to take advantage of the fact that licensing requirements has been abolished. The company was also aware that there had been increased in level of interaction and interdependence among the various nations of the world, and India could be made a base for its international trade. It set up its office in Gujarat with a view to capture the Indian market. In a short span of time, the company emerged as market leader. Success of the company attracted many players to enter the same market. Competitors resulted in reduction in prices, thereby benefiting the customers. So it's a long case study. Let's see what they are asking. In the above paragraph, two major concepts related to government policy have been discussed. You have to identify and explain these concepts. Let us start quoting the lines. In India, the reform process was underway with the aim of accelerating pace of economic growth and licensing requirement has been abolished. So this is definitely liberalization. Increased level of interaction and interdependence among the various nations of the world. So this is globalization. So we got our two concepts, liberalization and globalization. So we have reached the end of this video. I'm sure you like this content and this has been useful to all of you. If you have any questions, queries or your suggestions, you can write it in the comment box and you can definitely see the links of other videos in the description box. Thank you so much all of you for watching. Hope to see you soon. Thank you so much once again.